Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic lemonade. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, sugar, water, and a probiotic starter culture like whey or a ginger bug. It is crucial to ensure all your equipment, including jars and utensils, is thoroughly clean to prevent any unwanted bacterial growth. Always use filtered water for the best fermentation outcomes, as chlorine can inhibit the beneficial bacteria. This preparation sets the stage for a successful brew. Now, let's prepare the lemonade base. You will need to juice approximately 6 to 8 fresh lemons to yield about 1 cup of lemon juice. In a separate bowl, dissolve 1/2 cup of sugar into 2 cups of warm water, stirring until completely clear. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, combine the fresh lemon juice, the sugar water, and an additional 2 cups of cold filtered water in a large pitcher. This mixture forms the perfect foundation for your probiotic drink. The next step is to introduce your probiotic starter culture. Gently stir 1/4 cup of your chosen culture, such as liquid whey or a ginger bug, into your prepared lemonade base. Once thoroughly mixed, carefully pour the entire lemonade mixture into a clean, airtight glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Seal the jar and allow it to ferment at room temperature for 2 to 3 days, away from direct sunlight. After 2 to 3 days, your probiotic lemonade should be ready. Strain the fermented liquid through a fine mesh sieve to remove any lemon pulp or sediment, ensuring a smooth drink. Now, bottle your delicious probiotic lemonade into clean, sealed containers. Remember to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, refrigerate your finished lemonade to significantly slow down the fermentation process and enjoy its refreshing, tangy flavor for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.